Hey, how you doing? This is Jason, and in this video we'll be talking about how to earn $444 per day on YouTube without filming video. And no, I won't be recommending you editing Creative Commons videos like most gurus tend to recommend. There are quite a few channels on YouTube that are providing valuable content and building a steady fan base without showing their face. As I found out during the process of putting together this video, while presentation is very important, the information you provide during your video is the bread and butter. Here I've listed some things in this video that you can expect to learn. 1. Examples of YouTube channels that are using this strategy. 2. Proof of potential earnings. And also where to get the videos to create your own channel. Plus, stick around until the end as I release some bonus information that you'll be surprised to know. But before we do all that, I would really appreciate it if you would hit the like button and also subscribe if you haven't already, as I plan on releasing daily videos like this that will help you to achieve your goal of making money online. The first channel that I'll be showing you is a channel by the name of Brainy Dose. This channel releases a variety of videos on a lot of topics. For example, you can see Signs You're an Old Soul and Think Differently, and other intriguing topics that are sure to let their viewers want to click. And if we should click on one of their videos, we can see clearly that they do have ads on it. As you can see, they are using royalty-free videos. They're just putting them together, and they also use royalty-free pictures and just add the audio over it. So how much is this channel actually making? Well, if we should go over to Social Blade and check it out, this channel so far they have uploaded 208 videos and gained a subscriber count of 919,000. And their total video views since the channel has been created is 93,816,588. And this channel was created in November 7, 2016. And if we are to use the Social Blade YouTube money calculator and estimate that their CPM is $3, although their CPM can be a lot more, as it all depends on the country that the viewer is watching it in, and also how long does the viewer actually watch a video. And if you didn't know, the CPM stands for every 1,000 views. This is the amount of money that they will be getting for every 1,000 views that they get. So with a CPM of $3 and the estimated daily view of 148,000, they are earning $444. And for the month, that would be $13,320. And the second example that I like to show you guys is this video by this channel by the name of Home Remedy by JD. As you can see, they release a variety of health videos. For example, uses of gloves mixed with honey every day. The health niche is a very popular niche. Although if you are planning to go in the health niche, I definitely urge that you do your research if you are not a professional in that field, as I don't believe that you should just release random content. I think you should do your research to provide people with the best information. And as you can see, yes, they do have ads on their videos. They also have a large subscriber count. So how much are they making? Well, to check that out, we'll be using Social Blade. So let's copy and paste this. They created this channel back in December 16th, 2016. And so far they have uploaded only 41 videos, and they have gained a subscriber count of 370,000, and their video view so far is 1,319,195. And monthly they are earning anywhere between $38 to $611. As you can see, they are earning roughly an estimate of $20 per day. So okay, now you're wondering, where do they get the royalty-free video from? Well, a simple search on Google, royalty-free videos, and you'll find a variety of websites that offer royalty-free videos. What are royalty-free videos? These are videos that you can use for personal or commercial use, without worrying about getting any copyright strike or anything like that. My top two favorites are videoveo.net and videeasy.com. As you can see, they also have royalty-free music and sounds. And this can work in any niche, whether that be health niche, financial niche, any niche, as there are a variety of videos. And the videos are of very high quality. Just simply search for what you want. Okay, so now I've shown you how to get the videos. So what do you do after you get the videos? Well, it's simple. If you don't know what to record, meaning if you're not a professional in the field that you're trying to go in, for instance, the fitness field, you can simply do your research online and then use Audacity to do the voice recording. It's a free app that you can simply download on your computer and edit your voice. In fact, I'm using it now. So after you have done the audio recording and you have your video, you can simply put both of them together and use the Windows Movie Maker 10, which is free, to finalize the video. But the key thing about this video now and the bonus information is, alright, you have made your video now and you have a very good video, and you can also use Canva, which is free, to create a thumbnail. But you can have a good video and all that and a good thumbnail and still don't get discovered. One of the main things to look at is the tags. So I would recommend that you download TubeBuddy.com. TubeBuddy is a plugin that shows you the tags of the videos, and also you can search for headings and tags that will help you with ranking. For instance, you can see with this video here, you can clearly see the tags that they are using. You can copy it and use it on your own video. You can see the positions that they are ranking on Google and YouTube search. And another thing I like about TubeBuddy is they suggest other keywords that you can use. You can see this is a good keyword, signs you are an old soul. There are other videos that did the same type of video. 9 signs you are an old soul, 5 signs you are an old soul. And this one that we were looking at says 13 signs you're an old soul. The search on this is very good. As you can see, 11.8 million videos in search results. It's good. The search volume is good. The competition is good. Fear. It's as simple as that, and see you have a good keyword right there. Banana leaves benefits for skin. I definitely believe that TubeBuddy is one of the best plugins that you can download if you're planning to do videos on YouTube. And although they have a paid version, the free version is also very good. So remember guys, this strategy can be used in any niche online. And also another idea that you could use is, for instance, if you're creating one of these channels about health or even fitness, you can also do some affiliate marketing. As affiliate marketing, you can earn a good percentage on the side by recommending your viewers to use a variety of products or things that you talk about in your video. For instance, even in the health niche, you could recommend a few ClickBank products. Especially in a niche like this, health or even fitness, you could recommend like the keto diet or so on. I hope the information that I provided in this video was informative, and I hope that you use one of these strategies and also start to make money on YouTube.